Hi, boys and girls. I hope everyone had a nice spring break. Miss Laspiza is outside right now enjoying some fresh, beautiful air. So, 2 weeks ago, before spring break, boys and girls, we talked about soft C. You know that soft C makes the S sound after the letters I, E, or Y. Today, boys and girls, you will continue working on our soft sounds. This week we will focus on soft G. We know that hard G makes the G sound, like as in goat. But this week we will focus on the soft sound. So soft G captures the sound of J. Just like soft C, boys and girls, soft C makes the J sound after the letters I, E, or Y, boys and girls. It's very important that the G needs to follow these three letters. So let's look on and continue with our soft G sound. Like as in the special that a lot of you boys and girls enjoy and Mr. Potter teaches is gym. Gym makes the J sound after the letter Y here. We also have the word huge, H-U-J. So G, again, captures the sound of J. Let's continue on with a quick word list, boys and girls. Miss Laspiza will say a word, and then you can repeat it. Here we go. We have the word gentle. You say, good, boys and girls, gym, giant, germ, age, huge, cage, stage, hinge, and finally orange. So again this week, boys and girls, you will be focusing on soft G. Soft G captures the sound of J. Have a great week, everyone.